Do you ever feel that pressure before the pen even touches the paper? We often feel stuck because our minds are already 3 steps ahead, expecting a result. But what if today we decide that the pen isn't a tool for creating a thing, but a dancing partner? In this video, I want to show you the dancing on paper method. It's a simple exercise using infinity eights and circles that helps you move from tension to flow in just 5 minutes. No talent, no judgment, just you and the rhythm of your hand. Let's get started right away. Put your pen down. We are not starting with a shape, but with a movement, a curved line, a circle, a flowing figure 8. There's no right or wrong here. The only rule is don't lift the pen. Just one single fluid, calm stroke. Feel the pen glide across the paper. It's like dancing. Sometimes wide and open, sometimes tight and focused. If your thoughts wander, simply bring them back to the tip of your pen. Listen to the sound on the paper. That's the only job your brain has right now, to follow the rhythm. Now let's focus on condensing and releasing. Start condensing the lines in one spot, maybe in a corner. Press down a little harder, let the circle get tighter. Feel the concentration, almost like a knot tightening. And then let go, open again, and open up. Exhale and let the line dance across the entire page. This interplay of tension and release is like a deep breath for your nervous system. You don't have to solve anything here, except for the movement of your hand. Play with the pressure, explore the lightness. Go back to the tight space and then move back into the release. To deepen this sense of calm, take an eraser. We are not adding anything anymore, we are simply taking up space and softening the drawing. Run the eraser over the areas you've just concentrated on. Make circles and curved lines, let them flow. You can use an eraser as a drawing tool too. It's not about correcting mistakes, it's about bringing light into the drawing. Use gentle movements to soften the lines. You are now creating with what you let go of. Do you notice how it's getting lighter? This is the beginning of art, the permission to simply be present. If you notice the pressure returning, just keep coming back to this dance. If you need support to get back into your creative flow, you can download my free drawing guide or visit me on Patreon for daily inspiration. You'll find the links in the description. Now let me know in the comments how it went for you. I'd love to hear about your experience. And if you are interested in more techniques like this, watch the next video.